Oh, okay. So we've got an allotment. And we're picking up wood and stuff. We got it for free for a year because there's a lot of work need doing. So it's another part of our family dynamic and our family situation. What we do is try and be self-sufficient and not rely on, self-sufficient basically, teaching our kids good skills of farming and stuff, and that's what we're trying to do. Got chickens and ducks obviously, but this is the allotment that we're tidying up from the previous people, but we get rent free. So rent free for a year so we can actually tidy this up and get it to a standard, and then we'll start paying rent for it. So this is our year to really try and tidy up the place, get it done, and then actually sit and enjoy the allotments. That is the plan. But it's a lot to do. I mean, like that. Is that rubble or is that? That's not rubble. What is that? What is that? I don't know what the flip that is. That's not concrete. But hopefully we'll get ours to a good standard. That is the aim. Husband's a gardener, so hopefully we will glass. Well, we can't have that. So that's gonna have to go somewhere that I deem a bit dangerous. So I'm gonna individually do it so I don't hurt myself. That's a... Should have put it in that section. Or I'll put it closer so we can safely dispose of it, I guess. So I won't put the glass there because that's not what we want. So I'll put the glass flat there. We go all the way down there. Hopefully we can get this all nicely done. Let's see. Ooh, wow. A bone. It's pretty neat. Wonder what animal that is. Sick. I'm keeping that. Come on, little bone friend.